Hello, welcome to all. This is Vijayalakshmi. Here, I just want to share my knowledge on D365. In this series, I just want to discuss about advanced warehouse management and advanced warehouse setup in D365. So let's get into the system. At the first stage of it, I just want to create a new entity. Throughout all series, we are going to use this legal entity only for all purposes. So let's get into the modules. Under modules, we can able to see this organization and administration module. Click on it. Legal entities. New legal entity. I want to create IGUG. Region code India. Okay. Here we can able to see the general tab. Under general tab, there is a memo is there. If we want to specify any details about the company, here we can able to define. Coming to be hierarchy, it's like organization hierarchy according to the roles and responsibilities. Once we created roles, it will be automatically enabled. And a language, here we can able to select English, United Kingdom. Time zone, I don't want to. Here there are so many time zones are there. Okay. Accordingly, you can select, but I don't want to select any timings here, time zones. It's automatically selected. So I just want to add a new address for my legal entity. Then add head office. Business purpose. See what is the purpose here. We can able to see business purpose or consignment, delivery or fixed asset location, or that is a head company. Yes, here I can mention head. I am mentioning head company or home or invoice location or loading location or payment. These are many things are there, or shifting, unloading, these and all things are there, but I have selected as head company, not business and head company. Okay, select. Here I am selecting India. Yes. Zip code I don't want to select, and postal code I don't want to select. Then street Amaravati. Building. Okay. Indra Bhavan. City Amaravati again. Capital of Andhra. Okay, fine. Then district again Amaravati. These and all I have already created. If you want to create, you can mention view details and create new one. State Andhra. Okay, then county I don't want to select. This is a primary. Yes, it's a primary. Yes. Region. Yes. Then I am going to select I'm okay with the address, then select OK. Yes, see here we can able to see the head office, description of the address. This is the head office, and Indira Bhavan, Amaravati. These and all we can able to see. I just want to create new one. See, I'll show you how it's going to be work. That is the manufacturing unit. Is the purpose we are going to be select here. That is a consignment delivery hex, fixed asset, home, invoice, adding other service, recruitment, remit to service, table organization, vendor shift, unloading. Here I am going to select it as a home, because all my products have been going to manufacture here only. Again India. Yes, a street lake view, near a highway. Near Gandhi, no. Pochampalli. Then I'm working with the street and all. Then post box number. If you want to give any post box number, building complement. This building name I just want to create Budvana Vijayam. Post box number, if you want you can create, you can mention, that is again Amaravati. Capital of Andhra. Then again Amaravati district, also the same. Here it's a primary. Yes, again it's a primary. Then okay. Here we can able to see the manufacturing unit, address, description. I have given a manufacturing unit, no, so it's showing like it's a manufacturing unit. Purpose or home purpose it's showing like this, and all we can able to see. Then coming to be here, contact information. If you have any like contact for a particular company, here we can able to see. Here we can able to give, that is a description for a particular person or head office, head, land line, phone number 08559 something like 565656. See, this 09 is the extension number, 08 0 is the extension number. Here we can able to see here like this we can able to mention. Okay, Then again statutory reporting, if you have any branch reporting here we can mention. Then registration numbers, anything we can mention here if you have anything. Then bank account number, here we can tag our bank details, but it's not suggestible method or in any way. Cash and bank management module we are going to be see how it's going to be work. Then we are saving it, then save. Yeah, it's been saved, and go again back. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another episodes.